In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dotted line in Microsoft PowerPoint. Dotted lines are a simple but powerful way to separate sections, guide the viewer's eye along a path, or add a subtle design touch to your slides. I'll walk you through each step clearly, and you'll be able to apply this on any presentation in just a few moments. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and navigating to the slide where you want the dotted line to appear. It helps to be in normal view so you can see your layout clearly and place the line exactly where you want it. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the window. Click Shapes, then choose the basic line from the Lines section. Your cursor will change to a crosshair. Click and drag across the slide to draw the line. If you want a perfectly straight horizontal or vertical line, hold the Shift key while you drag. This constrains the line so it doesn't angle slightly, which is especially useful when you're aligning elements across multiple slides. Once the line is drawn, make sure it's selected. When a line is selected, the Shape Format tab appears in the ribbon at the top. Click Shape Format to access all the styling options. Now select Shape Outline, and from the menu, hover over dashes. You'll see several styles, including dotted options. Choose the dotted style that best fits your design. Some dotted styles have tighter spacing, while others are more open, so pick one that balances readability and aesthetics for your slide. You can refine the look further without leaving the same menu. Still under Shape Outline, choose a color that complements your theme. For clean professional slides, consider using a color that matches your brand accents or contrasts well with the background. Then select Weight to adjust the thickness. Increasing the weight makes the dots more prominent. Decreasing it keeps the effect subtle. Try a couple of weights to find what looks crisp on your screen or projector. If you need to reposition or rotate the dotted line, simply click and drag it to a new location. Use the circular rotation handle above the line to adjust the angle. As you move it, PowerPoint's guides can help you align the line with other elements so everything looks intentional and tidy. And that's it. You've created a dotted line in Microsoft PowerPoint, a quick and effective way to add visual separation or emphasis to your slides. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.